LineS 3D Icon Pack is an Android application designed to enhance smartphone aesthetics through a collection of modern, three-dimensional icons. Targeting users who appreciate sleek and stylish designs, this app offers a unique visual experience that personalizes home screens. Key features of LineS 3D Icon Pack typically include a diverse selection of high-quality icons characterized by clean lines, geometric shapes, and a 3D effect that adds depth to the device's interface. These icons usually cover a wide range of popular apps and functionalities, ensuring users can find suitable icons for their needs. The app is generally compatible with various popular launchers, making it easy for users to apply the icons seamlessly. Additionally, LineS may offer matching wallpapers and widgets to create a cohesive look. Overall, LineS 3D Icon Pack serves as an excellent choice for users aiming to give their Android devices a modern and sophisticated visual makeover.